Are you looking for a completely free open source translation API that you can host yourself and run entirely offline? If you want to stop relying on expensive proprietary translation services that charge you per word, then you need to know about LibreTranslate. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at LibreTranslate, a free and open source machine translation API. Currently on version 1.9.6, this tool is licensed under the AGPL-v3 license and is powered by Argos Translate. The biggest selling point here is complete control. According to their official documentation, LibreTranslate is offline capable and incredibly easy to set up. You can actually get your very own API server up and running on your own hardware in just a few minutes. Whether you want to integrate it into your own applications, run it locally for privacy, or use it for quick translations, it's built to be developer-friendly. On their website, you'll find quick access to their API docs, a way to get an API key, and a direct link to their GitHub repository to grab the source code. Now, let's talk about user feedback. To be completely transparent with you all, we don't have access to a database of configured user reviews for LibreTranslate today. Because it is a self-hosted open source project, many developers run it quietly on their own private servers. However, the fact that the entire project is open source on GitHub means you can inspect the code yourself, host it for free, and never have to worry about sudden price hikes or data privacy leaks. If you want to test it out, you can head over to LibreTranslate.com, check out their API documentation, or grab the code from GitHub to host your own instance today. What are your thoughts on self-hosting your translation tools? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.